Hello, welcome to the first episode of First Impressions in a very long while. Haven't been making the videos for a little bit. I've just had some personal stuff in life that I've been sorting out. But we're back and we're going to have a look at the beta of Ubuntu Budgie 18.04. I will have a look at all the other flavours as well, probably do a video on each of them. Just quickly, so there's just near my little webcam bit there's a clock on the desktop there, so if I just disappear my face, you should be able to see it. There we go. So we're going to keep it down at the bottom right though, because obviously Budgie uses most of the panels on there, and then we might actually, what we'll do is we'll move it to the left and it'll stay out of the way. So if I just pop this over there, we'll see how we get on. I might end up moving it about as we go through the video. Okay, so if we just go onto the website a minute. Oh, I think I've done that wrong. Okay. What's this bit on here? That's a bit strange. That's better. Right, so if we just type in Ubuntu 18.04 Budgie, see if we can get any notes up for it. There we go, release notes. So Bionic Beaver, new features and enhancements, better font handling, colour emoji support for name characters, MP3s can play out of the box, quick note, that's just up here, is it? That's quite cool, quite handy. Job outlet pops up on USB, Showtime desktop clock with custom, yeah, so that's the clock there. It's not quite in the bottom right. I think it's because on the virtual box the resolution changes, so it was in the middle when I first loaded it up until I went full screen. New applets, rotation lock available, clockworks, keyboard auto switch, quickly divide windows over a 6x6, that's pretty cool. Virtual desktop switcher or workspace. Linux kernel 4.15. Right, let's just have a little look around. So let's have a look at the quick notes up here. So if you had a quick note, you just be like, yes, hello, and then what goes on with that? It just stays there, okay. And then you got your clock, calendar, applet and stuff in the middle, and preferences, use 24-hour, blah blah blah. Let's open up the calendar quickly. Yeah, nice simple calendar. I think it syncs with Google. Yeah, perfect. So applets and notifications are here. Nightlight is built in. Caffeine here, I do believe. Yeah. This doesn't look quite like how I'd expect it when you sort of imagine the old and the other releases, and then it opens this up here. It's been a while since I've used Budgie actually, so I'm not quite sure what the standard procedure is, but I used to think you'd do it all in the sort of the applet panel thing on the right, but this is a beta, so I'm not sure if that's that. Right, so it comes installed with caffeine, files, Gedit, Plank, games, usual sort of thing. So it doesn't come with GIMP installed out of the box on the beta. Geary for your email, Chromium, and Transmission for your torrents. Full LibreOffice suite. Gnome MPV, Rhythmbox, Budgie applets. Let me just open this quickly. So I was expecting it to look like that. Maybe it's a theming issue, I'm not sure. Oh, you have to install the applets, okay. Okay, well I'll have a little look at that a bit later. So I just want to open up the terminal, see if we've got HTOP installed. Nope. Just install that quickly. So if we open up HTOP, we'll see how much we're using out of the box. So it's showing 1.9 gig in HTOP, and if we open up their own system monitor, it'll probably be a bit more. Usually seems to be 1.3 it's showing on there. Alright, let's try out some of the snapping features. And so they say 6x6. 1, 2. How do we get a smaller snap? Might have to go into the settings to do that. Okay. Alright, let's open up settings and have a look. We're going to leave the system monitors open just to see how much it uses while we're just generally having a look around. Backgrounds it comes with. That's quite nice. Let's have a look at that. Quite like that actually, it's pretty cool. I like a nice sort of simple, not too crazy colours wallpapers myself. Right, let's go back into displays. Let's go on to the displays a moment then. So you can toggle the night light on here as well. Keyboard, printer, removable things. And that's just what we've just done. Okay. And then your notifications will appear there. Let's turn on the dark theme. There we go, that's looking better already. Don't really want any icons there. Windows. Disable undirected. And you can mess around with the panel here at the top. So let's just open a load of stuff and see how it handles it all. Okay, that'll do for now. So switching between looks like this. So if we switch back to this, let's have a look now. So we're at 1.3, not shot up too much on there, and then if we check the system monitor, it's probably about 1.5. Okay. So I don't know if you can get the workspaces up at the moment. Let's go onto their Budgie welcome page. Pre-configured. Powerful applications, entertainment, games. So does it come with Steam out of the box? No, so you'll have to install Steam. Let's just do that quickly. And then we'll also have a look at the software application. Yeah, it's a sort of standard sort of procedure here. Slack, Spotify, what's on their recommended graphics? No GIMP there. Not showing the GIMP any love these days. Alright, let's just check what the system resources are using now. So at 1.5-ish, 5.8. So if we just open up a few tabs, we'll get it up to about 2 gig, and then we'll let it breathe a bit. We'll just open a couple of YouTubes. Alright, we're almost there. There's your files application. 3.26.2, and then we'll just quickly see what LibreOffice version they're running as well. Version 6.0.2.1. Okay. There you go, so system monitor is showing that we've got a gig. Just go back onto HTOP, 2 gig, sorry. Yeah, we're not far behind on here either. Oh, so you have side by side tabs, like so. How do I do that then? That could be quite handy actually. Right, so Steam is done. Let's just update it and things like that. I won't sign in or anything because I don't fancy people adding me. In fact, I think I've already done it on a video anyway, to be honest. And you can add me if you want, don't really care. Right, so we're now, well, we've gone down. So it's handling things pretty well, to be fair. So caffeine, we're using 2.9.4. And it just, I think caffeine just lets you sort of stop it from going idle or onto like the lock screen or whatever if you're doing something the way you don't input many strokes of a mouse or keyboard. Right, I want to get it up to 2 gig on the HTOP, and then we'll leave it at that. I like the look of the top panel as well, it's got a nice sort of transparent effect. Accessories, maps, let's have a look at the maps accessory. Is it going to load? No, maps is having a... Well, actually no, there we go. Okay, that's not really doing much, is it? No results found, apparently. Okay, well, we'll just leave that anyway. Right, 1.9.6. So if we open up one more program, that ought to do it. So it comes with disks as well for your disk management. No. We'll also open GNOME MPV. There you go, we're at 2 gig now on HTOP. So let's just see how it handles switching between the programs. Feel a little bit of lag. But not bad. So when this is getting an official release, we'll do a more in-depth video on it, as it's just a beta. I just wanted a quick little look around. Look out for the other ones, the other flavours as well that are currently running a beta. I'll probably do a video of them each day from now. So anyway, thank you for watching, and please subscribe.